What's this? Oh. Welcome back to Ashley Videos. Wow. I love my videos. My brother gonna be in this sometime. You just can talk when I talk. I gonna be doing a Barbie video. So I gonna get to my room right now so I can do my Barbie videos. Well, I'm not gonna do them. I actually gonna
Ashley, they can't see it.
I know.
Yeah, that's still good practice. So when you can do YouTube videos, they see us. I was thinking for you.
So
YouTube videos to be your salary.
I'm not gonna do Barbie videos. I'm just gonna do this. Okay, like gonna do Minecraft. So what? This cat eat French fries? That's just so weird. And Willie wants to go to the living room right now and watch TV. Again, and him have a present from his dad. Oh, I have this game on my tablet. So this is a video because they get in it for accident. So I might be very mad at myself. So I'm just gonna let us watch this video. So I'll be TikToking right now. That over, guys. So I just wanted to talk about some things about cats. Okay, I have a cat right here. Mama. I have two. I have a 5, but I gave them away because my mama cat born them. So now they're not pregnant anymore. So now me and my kitty love each other. That my cat to just do that. So I'm gonna open this present, another present from his dad. So I'm gonna be done. Thank you. Have a good day, YouTubers. So I might like that. I don't know why, but I don't know why that, but I might be doing that just like that. Well, I'm gonna give it to my brother so he can get off this thing because it's my first time doing it. I mean, I'm broke. I do not know how to do it.
Yeah, I'll be getting you off.